How to create a Temu account or sign up for Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Temu account. So to do that, first of all, go to either your Play Store or your App Store and simply download the Temu app. Now once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. After that, once you've opened the app, it'll basically provide you various options on how you can sign up. So the options are, you can enter your email address, your phone number, and then create an account. But if you want, you can also continue using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Twitter account. And if you are on an iOS device, you can also use your Apple account. So simply choose whichever one is the most convenient for you. So for now, I'll simply go with my email address. Now, you'll have to create a new password for your Temu account. After that, tap on the option register. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create a new Temu account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.